Meaning of exultant.
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 Exultant. The term exultant refers to a state or feeling of extreme joy, happiness, or triumph. It is often used to describe someone who is feeling elated, euphoric, or thrilled with a particular accomplishment or event. This could include anything from winning a championship game to receiving a job promotion, earning a high grade on an exam, or achieving a personal goal. The emotion of exultance is typically characterized by a sense of pride or satisfaction, and it may be accompanied by intense physical sensations such as laughter, tears, or a rush of energy.